VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, and you can see the coins have been up, the coins have been down this week, but in all sense of reality, the coins haven't really been doing anything this whole week, so there haven't been very many updates. I've been kind of busy getting some other things off the ground and very excited about it. But you can see after we bounced off down here, we came back up into this trading area where you have the moving averages running parallel now, and you can see well-defined the dinosaur pattern where the well-defined dinosaur pattern where you come down and you hump up and then you come like that, and if you draw it out, it kind of looks like a dinosaur, right? These are, to me, usually they break down, and we went over that when the price action was consolidating in there, and now it's still coming sideways. And what we would tend to look to see is you have to, if you want to get bullish, you got to have a turnaround here soon and get over this 200-day moving average, or you risk coming all the way back down and retesting down here at the 16,555.99, and that's what we're paying attention for right now. And as you do know, the same upper resistance is up here at 19,201.85, and the major underneath support is this double bottom right there, right? And that's what we're watching out for in the Bitcoin price at the current time frame. XLM remains in the same thing. It's trading sideways. You had your major wick right there hitting the upper resistance at about 10 cents. The moving averages are all descending right there in a pretty tight fashion, and the price is getting rejected off of the shorter term moving average, the 50. And if we continue to do that, you're going to bleed down here to a major double bottom at a major support level at just below 8 cents or 7 3/4 cents. And that's what we're looking at there. The XRP price, you can see it's actually come all the way back down, getting rejected by the overhead moving averages, and we're sitting on that critical 37 cents again. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see we touched that 37 cents yesterday or earlier this morning, and that is a major support level. And if you break that major support level, you're going to come all the way down. And where you say, old Vincenzo, where the fuck would I come all the way down to? And that's a great question. And where you would likely come all the way down to is the same area that you bottomed out here a few days ago. You see that down there? You'd come all the way down there if you breach this 37 cents, which the price action has moved along. So we need to move this out over a little bit more, and the same thing with that to keep it into the current time frame. And that would be where you're coming down to. If you can't hold this 37 cents, you're going to come to the top part of this trading zone, which is about 32 cents on a major consolidation to the downside. Come in here, but the volume is still coming down for a very long time. If the buyers came in, you could bounce over these moving averages and try to make a run up there to 50 cents, but it's looking more and more likely like the price wants to come down there and not go up there, right? So we're going to continue to watch out for that to see if it does that or to see if it does that, right? So that's what we're looking at now. To me, if I had to guess, I would say a little bit of a bounce coming here back to the short-term moving averages, and then you have to play it from there, right? Remember to bell notification, like, subscribe, share the channel in order so that we can educate and inform the retail trader and the retail investor. And you can see we had this little circle down here a while ago as the price continues to trade down in Cardano after it broke through that critical 43 cents up there, and it's traded down ever since, and it's going down and sideways right now. And if you can't get any buyers up here to try to swing north of the moving averages and try to make another run up here, what's going to end up happening is you're going to continue to trade like that, and you're going to eventually end up down here at this critical 26 cent level, right? And that's a very, very critical level. And if we look at any of the breaking news, North Korea running Trojan infested fake crypto exchange, says expert. Institutional clients bought stocks last week, hedge funds sold. Some nonsense. Too difficult for some. Bank of Russia wants to ban miners from selling crypto to Russians. BTC price hits new December low as Bitcoin dips 2% on December 7th with Asia stocks. So this is all things we're going to keep up to date on. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.